Tecno is launching the flagship Common 30 series with the addition of the Premier variant. In continuation of the success of the Common 20, we finally have the future Tecno's Common 30 Premier, which offers all the specifications we can expect from a flagship device, such as a massive display, powerful chipsets, a massive battery with fast charging, and much more. I would like to focus my attention on Tecno Common's 30 Premier. Without wasting any more time, let's have a look at it in more detail. First of all, you will be able to notice the massive 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, which has a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. In order to deliver unbeatable performance, the new Common 30 Premier is being said to be launching with one of the most powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipsets and a 3.0 GHz octa-core CPU. It seems that most of the recent leaks concerning the new Tecno 30 Premier indicate that it might be able to support 5G connectivity as well. Aside from that, you will also have 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal memory to play with. The upcoming Tecno Common 30's triple camera setup has 50MP plus 50MP plus 50MP sensors at the back and a single 50MP selfie snapper on the front under the small punch hole. As a result of the 70W of fast charging, the massive 5000 mAh battery of the Tecno Common 30 Premier will be fully charged in minutes, and because of the enormous size of this battery, it will last all day long. Due to the launch of the Common 30 Premier by Tecno, we can say that a lot of serious competition may be held between smartphone manufacturers, including Samsung. Processor, CPU, octa-core, chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, GPU, ARM Mali